Hey guys, Tony here again. Want to share with you guys my garden that I have in my backyard so you can see how much room I have and the reason why I need to actually leave and plant some of my stuff somewhere else, because I ran out of space and I really don't have anywhere else to put my stuff. So but anyway, that's why I want to show you this video today so you guys can see what I'm growing in my garden. So we'll start off on the patio first. So over here we have strawberries growing in that box, in that little bin. I got some lettuce growing right here. This is that is butter crunch lettuce. Beautiful. And then these 4 bins right here has the same lettuce in it. I have some bell peppers growing right there. Bell peppers. Then in all these little 4 bins right here, I have celery growing. And this is like probably like 200 and something celeries that I'm gonna be putting in the ground. Right here I have 2 little papaya trees growing from my wife's friend at work. Over here we have tomato, and this is a small cherry tomato plant. There's a whole bunch of cherry tomatoes in there. Around the other side you can see them, but you can see they have a lot of flowers on there. And like down here, okay, you can see some in there, some cherry tomatoes right there and there and up there. This is my strawberry plants. Gave me a lot of strawberries last year. It was the first year for my strawberries, so this is the second year now. So they made it through the winter. That was the first time I ever had it. Well, they made it through the whole year. So usually all my strawberries die, but they came back, so they're still here. Then I have this tomato plant right here as well. I'll go around the other side. And this one right here is actually full-size tomatoes, and you can see I have tomatoes in there. Got one down there at the bottom that's turning, and there's some in there too around the other side. So as you can see, they are growing. And let's go back over here. All right, so over here we have broccoli growing. Beautiful broccoli growing. And I did have a culprit out here, guys, that was bothering me. Here's more broccoli, and I had to cheat, I'm not gonna lie. I started off with seed and they were doing really good, and then I had an iguana, and the iguana, he hangs out over here. It's like 3 or 4 of them. They come over here and they hang out, and they be down there by the lake, and they be over here too. And they come over here for lunchtime in the afternoon. So what I did was I actually put, I don't know if you guys can see this black tarp that I put on top of it to block them from getting it. So far it's working, so I just continue to do that. Then I have a lot of carrots growing right here. He was actually eating the carrot leaves too. So you can see on this side, it's like some carrots missing, but I put some more seeds in there, so they're coming. But he was eating the top of my carrots off. And then these bins over here are actually empty. There is some celery growing right now, but I have all the celery over there on the porch that I told you I'll be putting in here. And let me show you my banana trees. So this is my banana tree right here. As you can see, it's about to give me a whole bunch of bananas. This whole banana tree right here started off with 1 banana tree, and now there's like 30 banana trees growing. Here's more bananas right there. More bananas coming right here. Beautiful bananas, guys. And then I have more bananas growing in there. Like I said, it started from 1. I bought it from Home Depot like 2 years ago, and it just multiplied. And I took one of the babies from this tree and actually put it over there in my yard. And this is my daughter's tree, and there's bananas growing on hers as well. One right there, another plant right there has bananas, another one right there, and then she also has another one growing right there. So, and these are Cavendish. They're small. They're supposed to be small, but that tree over there just grew really big. So, and as you can see right here, we have our papaya tree right there. We got papayas up there. Then we got another papaya tree right here. And all these trees I grew from seed. They grew from seed. This one right here was more like an experiment. I got this plant from well, she gave me the seed. This was my next door neighbor, and it grew. They grow pretty fast, you guys. So over here, what I have growing over here is I have papaya tree. I have some banana trees right there that I took from over there, and I have lychee trees right there. 3 lychee trees, 1 papaya tree, and this plant right here is what you call calusia. So calusia is what people use for walls. They make walls in their yards to separate. So I have that too. So I put one right here, to separate me from the neighbors. I should have did it a long time ago, but I just recently did it. So I just put this here, and I have a lychee tree right here that I'm going to take out and move to the land that we just purchased. All right, over here I have more papaya trees right here. Aloe, got some aloe plants, more papaya, and then over here you can see I have a lot of calusia plants, because what I want to do at the land is I want to take these calusia plants right here and build a wall around the whole property over there on the land that we just purchased. And these two big aloe plants right here my kids use for their face and hair. Aloe plants, so they come outside almost every other day robbing my plants. But we have a lot more in here too. So inside this little greenhouse I got aloe plants in here. I keep some of my starter seeds in here. They grow pretty good in here, even though it gets kind of hot. That's why I put the shade up here. It's like 50% blocks the sun. And yeah, if anybody lives in Florida and they want some aloe plants for free, let me know if you want to come pick them up. I'll be moving all this stuff over to the land, not the greenhouse, but all the plants will be over there at the land. And I have more calusia plants right here that I grew. And the funny thing is, guys, is how I get it is my neighbor has a big plant on the side of his house, and he uses it to block his cable box that they put in front of his house. So it's like decoration. And when the landscapers come and they cut it, I take all the cuttings and I just plant them, and then they start growing. And that plant right there, let me tell you, it costs $16 at Home Depot. Unless you buy more than 10 or 20 at a time, they give them to you for $13, and I'm getting them for free. So I can't wait for him to cut his plants. Every week or every 2 weeks, I just go get them out the garbage, or I tell the landscapers to give them to me, and I just grow them. So I need a lot more though to go around the 1.25 acres that we just purchased over there. So, but other than that, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. Just wanted to show you the backyard. My father-in-law has a mango tree over there too, but I don't tend to that. He does. And but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what we're growing over here, and the reason why I want to move some of the product, some of my flowers and stuff over there to the land, so I can continue to grow over there. And I will have like 16 garden boxes over there, 16 garden boxes, and 4 banana trees over there that will multiply. And then I have 6 papaya trees over there, and I'll have 5 lychee trees, and I'll have 1 avocado and maybe 2 mangoes. So wish me luck, guys, and continue to tune in. I appreciate you. Let me know if you have any questions about what I'm doing. All right, other than that, see you guys on the next one.